word independence. But what exactly is independent? Is independent mean taking your own decisions yourself? Does independent mean you have to be financially independent? Uh, does independence mean that at time at time of help that you seek help, but when you become okay, then you are back to independence? So see, ultimately we have to understand that as we age and as we go ahead in life, we cannot be independent always by the word. I mean, there will be certain times we have to be dependent on others, but ultimately we are hoping always that we are able to sort of somehow able to have a life in which we are able to be independent to a certain extent. Now, how can we be independent? That is something which is usually, you can say, is usually discovered. I mean, it's not something that you know, or it's not something that you always think about, because when you are independent, I'm sure you never think about being independent. I mean, you just feel that I'm doing anyways. But what is this? What is importance is, why is independence for older adults important? Now the thing is, loss of independence can be very, very discouraging. Now, why? Because you have always had, you can say, independence, working independently, maybe working jobs, uh, raising your families, आपने अपने घर के decisions लिए हुए हैं, चाहे वो पर्सनल हो चाहे वो फाइनेंशियल हो, तो बहुत सारी चीजें आपने थ्रू आउट द ईयर किए हों. पर जो नेचुरल इफेक्ट्स हैं एजिंग के, उसके वजह से थोड़ी दिक्कत तो होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डिफिकल्टी इन मूविंग, there might be behavioral health conditions, for example isolation, not because of anybody's fault. For example, COVID was not anybody's fault. You just got isolated because of a disease condition, and people couldn't visit each other, whether they were in the same city, same place, or even in the same building. So that was obviously an issue. And yes, financial strains can take place because older adults are very good at saving, so they do save. But what happens is, once an illness occurs or once something catastrophic happens, obviously the savings are hit. So then a bit of independence is lost. So while we obviously cannot, unfortunately, avoid the barriers to independence, we can take time to understand that independence in elderly is important, and how do we increase the opportunity for independent living. So why is independence important? One is, you obviously feel like an individual. The ability to make choices, कि आप कभी भी खुद का choice ले सकते हैं. और ऐसा सडनली नहीं होता है कि आप खुद के choices नहीं लेते हैं. कभी कभी सिर्फ सोचा जाता है कि नहीं. For example, it works both ways. If a son or a daughter wants to take a decision, and they take the decision and then consult you, you feel, oh, why did they not consult? But do you realize that you actually might have brought them up to be independent because they have seen you taking independent decisions? You might consult people, but ultimately the decision has always been yours. And at the same time, for example, if somebody has to decide that, you can decide as an older adult and say, no, I don't want to live with you, not because I have any problem, I just get bored. So I just want to live in an elder care community. There is no taboo. There will be people around me. I can spend time with them. So that is your independent decision. That's an individual decision. So there shouldn't be any, you can say, ambiguity in that कि मतलब ये डिसीजन आपने क्यों लिया. हाँ, आपने भेज दिया अपने बेटे I mean अपने पापा मम्मी को भेज दिया. So that is not the way it works. Sometimes decisions are taken by the older adult कि नहीं मैं जाना चाहता. And that is never highlighted because apparently everything has to be paternalistic. That's what we are born. हमेशा हमें सिखाया वही जाता है ना कि पैटर्नलिस्टिक डिसीजंस होते हैं. तो और हमेशा उल्टा किया जाता है कि नहीं, पहले डिसीजंस पेरेंट्स लेते थे, बाद में जब वो ओल्ड होते हैं तो हम उनके लिए लेते हैं. तो दैट्स नॉट. एवरीबॉडी इज एन इंडिविजुअल. एवरीबॉडी शुड टेक देयर ओन डिसीजन. दैट्स व्हाई फीलिंग ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल, एक अकेले होना, एक बोलते हैं ना अस्तित्व होना, बहुत important है. Because when you're not able to take that individualistic thing, then you can lead to anger. It can lead to damage to both you and the caregiver or your relative. So make sure everybody has the sense of spell, a sense of your own self. आपका space होना चाहिए. Not everything can be done, and either way I would say, because for you to be independent you have to give independence to others. So ultimately, and it's not the word interference is also very casual use. It's just interpretation. It's not necessarily interference. Advice is something which can be given, but please don't make in your mind कि नहीं आपने advice दिया तो वही मानेंगे. Ultimately let that individual decide themselves, and same is for you. We are here to advise you, but it should be your decision. Vaccination was your decision. Vaccination is not that कि चलो भाई we took a van and we were like चलो सब बुजुर्ग आ जाओ अभी वैक्सीनेट करके आएंगे. वैसे तो कभी किसी ने बोला नहीं. So it's an individual decision. So it always should be an individual decision. We're maintaining balance and strength. Now, if you're able to maintain your balance, muscle strength, body strength, then only you'll be able to be independent. Remember that those physical factors are something which you can't avoid. हम भूल नहीं सकते कि physical part बहुत important है हमें independent होने के लिए. So if strength is not worked on, आपका core body mass हो, balance हो, aging process है. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक दिन में somebody ages. So that's why you need to keep working on your muscle strength, your balance, and of course, people. I mean, it's just too cliched because movies show it that way. काश आप पहले आए होते. ऐसे नहीं होता. You have to start the day you realize and try to work on it. If you realize it today, to this day, try to work on that. ये नहीं सोच सकते कि पास में और 10 साल पहले करते तो अच्छा रहता है नहीं अच्छा रहता, because that is already gone. So if you're independent, whether it is because loss of strength और balance के साथ क्या क्या हो सकता है कि if you can, it can cause you injuries. So अगर injury होता है तो आपका independence वापस चल जाता है. So it could be anything. It could be basically fall prevention करने के लिए आपका balance बढ़ाना, strength बढ़ाना. And then another way of course is to make sure that you enroll into exercise programs, which can obviously, it could be group therapy, it could be individual therapy. And of course, if you need support, then use it. वॉकर की जरूरत है तो यूज करना चाहिए, स्टिक की जरूरत है तो यूज करना चाहिए. मैं बार बार हमेशा वही कहता हूँ और शायद आप सुन के थक चुके होंगे, बट मैं वापस कहूंगा, those things make you more independent. वो आपको ज्यादा आत्मनिर्भर और स्वतंत्र करते हैं as compared to thinking कि नहीं I will not use the stick but I prefer sitting. I don't think that is, I mean, you can never take it on your self this ki nahi, I was independent for so many years. The key to successful aging is to realize your shortcomings so that you can strengthen them. And that's what it is. I mean, nobody can have a perfect life as far as aging is concerned. Then third is, of course, I think a sense of purpose. Loss of independence can be very isolating. कि मतलब I cut off हो गए. तो हर दिन जब आप उठते हैं तो I mean it's easier said than done, but then you should have some sense of purpose. Independence gives you that sense of purpose. For example, enjoying activities alone or with your family, with your friend. अगर आप कोई goals set करते हैं, so unique challenges हो सकता है, and then once you are able to sort of help yourself, so with independence you will be able to guide your sense of purpose and ultimately be able to strengthen that कि हर दिन हाँ आज मुझे ये करना है or whatever इस महीने में मुझे ये करना है, and then you can continue motivating yourself. So that sense of purpose के लिए independence होना बहुत important है. Then another factor which is affected by independence is the more independent you are, memory skills बहुत important है. For example, जितना आपका ज्यादा इंडिपेंडेंस है उतना आपका मेमोरी अच्छा रहेगा, एंड वाइस वर्सा, जितना आपका मेमोरी अच्छा रहेगा उतना आपका इंडिपेंडेंस ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि remembering things is very important, but at the same time not remembering things is not the, I mean it's like end of days. So you have to work on it. Everything needs work. Remember, aging भी आपने जितने साल से किया है, when you have been independent, confident, or aged well or not well, but you have done something throughout this age. I mean it's not that कि ऐसा कोई मतलब जादू की छड़ी आ गई and everything just became, I mean you became old. That doesn't or you became very sort of healthy. So it's all work. So continuous work hai. You can say the human body is a masterpiece in itself, but it needs work. A masterpiece with a masterpiece which ages with time. जो time जाता है तो work की जरूरत होती है. तो memory skills के लिए बहुत important है. फिर independence will always give you what is known as a sense of control. मतलब मैं independent हूँ, I'm not dependent on others. मैं अच्छे से कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ. So it will empower you. and you will have that feeling of achievement. Self worth बहुत important है at any age, not only in aged individuals. Thinking that you are not good for anything or you are not able to do anything is a very negative feeling, and then that can be a big issue. Then another thing is losing a feeling in control over the actions is a problem. तो अगर आपके पास कंट्रोल ओवर योर एक्शंस है, डीड्स है, व्हाट योर इमोशंस, व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्रेस, देन यू शुड बी फाइन. Then independence obviously helps in developing positive relationships. अगर गुड रैपो होता है सीनियर और उनके केयर गिवर के बीच, बात अच्छे से हो पाती है, that sense of positivity is there. So with independence and positive relationships, so whatever I'm saying has got both sides. You have to be independent to have positive relations, at the same time you have to have positive relationships to be independent, because all you need sometimes is a bit of support to continue your independence. Sometimes over the time, if you don't get that support, then that can worsen, and then you can become more dependent. So a bit of push, positive relationships, whether it's with friends, whether it's family, whether it's your own peers, whether it's yourself, your relationship with yourself also matters a lot. How angry you are at yourself. मैंने इतने साल पहले मुझे ये करना चाहिए था, या मैंने ये नहीं किया, मैंने क्यों ये नहीं किया, गलत डिसीजन हो गया, मैंने ही तो सिखाया है. ऐसे नहीं होता. दैट्स नॉट द वे इट वर्क्स. एवरीबॉडी इज एन इंडिविजुअल. सब लोग अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस से सीखते हैं. तो यू कैन ईदर ब्लेम योरसेल्फ फॉर एवरीथिंग और यू कैन टेक credit also for everything. Yes, you might have been given, and at the same time you also need the push. So इसीलिए it's very important that positive relationships, whether it's with anybody, whether it's with family, whether it's with friends, is also managed well. Because ultimately the difference between being dependent on others and being independent is the fact that it, there is a lot of things which matter. And is independence, if you ask an older adult, is independence what they want, how many times do we ask that question? Is the sort of things one. And how many times do older adults express it? Sometimes, nahin, he's taking care of me. Good. Let him continue to take care of me. Obviously, he's my son or daughter-in-law, son-in-law. So I like it. But can you be independent? If you can be independent, remember, independence is always better than being taken care. Having that social support when you get bad is important. But till the time you're independent and you have that self sort of thing, वो problem नहीं होना चाहिए. Then another thing is, and we shouldn't, on a lighter note, independence should not be only talked about around Independence Day. We should always sort of keep thinking about it, I think, every moment, into why ki kyun, why should we sort of be independent. And remember one thing, जब आप independent होते हो तो ultimately आप ना ही अपने आप को contribute करते हो, but society को भी कर पाते हो. Coming to the point of younger, if you remember, there are three categories in older adults. There's a young old, there's a middle old, there's an old old. So 60 to 69, 70 to 79, more than 80. So why not fit younger older adults or older adults? A fit 80-year-old also can take care of somebody who needs support as a 60-year-old. Why not? Or vice versa. So that's why independence is important. Once you be independent at your same age, even being an older adult, you can also help people, you can contribute to the society, which is what sometimes happens after 60 kya, whether I can do anything, forget, I had a lot of plans. Aisa hota hai, but those plans are actually never mortified or solidified. So once 60 comes, you're like, oh shit, I don't know what to do. What should I do? क्या करना चाहिए? ठीक है, मुझे ट्रैवल करना था, बट प्लान्स तो कुछ नहीं. देन यू आस्क अ कपल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, दे आर लाइक, नहीं यार मैं तो अभी भी काम कर रहा हूँ, मैंने तो इन्वेस्ट कर दिए, तो मेरे पास टाइम नहीं. देन लाइक, अरे ट्रैवल वाला प्लान तो फ्लॉप. तो 55 के बाद से हमें करना है. एंड इट्स नॉट लेट स्टिल. If you try to do something today, see, fine, you should know that ki health aapka kahan hai. You should know that. Is, let me be very practical, you should know where your health stands, physical, mental, so that you can obviously embark into any targets that you have. And never have anything ki man mein ki ye kar paye ya ye nahi kar paye, because ultimately you can only do that much that you wanted to do, and sometimes you are able to do. So if you see that sense of independence and continue to be that way, I think that is what independence is about. So remember one thing: to be independent, you should make sure that your health is very strong. So physical, mental हो, फिर social well-being हो. तो अगर ये तीनों चीजें अच्छी रहती है तो इंडिपेंडेंस आ ही जाता है. At the same time, definition of independence थोड़ा fluid है. If you are able to become independent by using a bit of support, that is still independence. Don't think that कि आपका independence चला गया. That is keep making sure कि आप continuously independent हो रहे हैं. So thanks a lot for your patient hearing. If you have any questions, comments, I am more than welcome to address them. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. If anybody has any questions, please unmute yourself and ask your question and then mute yourself, please. Any questions?
Now, Doctor, we are talking about this independence. It is difficult, even if we accept or we don't accept. Sometimes you are living in a family, though there is proper support from them, everything. But at the same time, adjusting yourself sometimes it becomes really difficult. Not that we have that ill feeling, but at the same time, it hits you sometimes. Oh, like for instance, I wanted certain things from the medical store. Then my grandson was going. I said I want so and so thing from the medical store. Immediately, I was asked by everybody, for what? Why you want that? What is it? And then finally, it was not brought. So this small things sometimes, immediately they hit you. What I want something, but I can't get it. I can't so easily get that immediately. Everybody will immediately jump up. But what you want that? What is it? This kind of small things are difficult to adjust with. And though I try to do everything myself, study everything and material to get all that, everything is okay. But at the same time, many things like these are the small minor things. It's only this example what I'm giving, but other things also are there. Even they have to decide what I should wear. Like if I have to go to church, but what I should wear, they will check. All. We don't want that. No dupatta to wear salwar kameez where you will have don't have to have that dupatta or anything with you.
Yeah, so
I think, wearing sari.
Yeah, so I think as caregivers, we always tend to maybe transform the worrying into more of orders. It's not necessarily that they are trying to order you, but the worrying comes out like that. No, if you do this, then this might happen. Then if you fall, then what? But I would say, yes, still you should try to maintain that independence. And as far as the medicine part is concerned, a lot of apps have come. So it's high time that you actually learn technology and order your own medicines.
Any other questions for the doctor? We have time for one more question. Thank you very much, doctor. This has been really helpful. Again, this will be recorded and put on our website. And lastly, wish you all a very happy Independence Day tomorrow. I think it's a momentous time. I think we should never take our independence for granted. And a lot of our seniors have actually fought for our independence, and we always would commend them. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on Monday. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, Dr. Prem. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Doctor, and happy Independence Day
Yeah, same
to all of you.